make something with pumpkin, cause I love the fall baking season. So this morning we are making pumpkin mascarpone frosting. Yay! Frosting. Yay! Only thing you need is a cup of heavy whipped cream. You need a cup of powdered sugar. I always use more because I always do different things. Of course, you need the mascarpone, whatever seasonings and spices you want. I'm doing cinnamon sugar, pumpkin spice, a hint of almond, a hint of pumpkin. No, I can't tell you the measurements because I do a dab-a-doo or whatever. Okay? You're going to need a chilled bowl. I always put it in the freezer. See, this is so easy to make, and you know, I eat it by itself a lot. You can make some cookies, put it on some cookies, use it in between cakes, pies, but I got something special for this one right here that I'm gonna use this on. I always put it down there. Of course, always got gloves, always gloves. All right. Let's whip this on low for about a minute or so. Just get it all together. Slowly pour in your heavy whipped cream. And we're gonna increase the speed. And watch it work. Your powdered sugar, you can leave it running. So let me just leave it running. You can leave it running or you don't have to. Add your powdered sugar, let it get in there. Like I said, a cup of powdered sugar. I always use more. Sometimes I put more in at the end if I don't think. See how it's making? See it? You don't want to over whip it. Bam. Check it out. Sturdy, not easy to fall off. See, it's not falling off the spoon. There you go. Pumpkin mascarpone. I'm gonna knock that off. I always got a container. Makes about, I'd say, 2 cups, 2 to 2.5 cups. And guess what the best part is? I have put it in the fridge, and this is the best part. I get the leftover. So good. So good. Now,